Hi everyone, welcome back to another tutorial from Apps Academy. Today in this episode we will be learning how to check your Bolt history. If you frequently use Bolt for rides, deliveries or e-scooters, keeping track of your trips and payments is important. First of all, launch open your Bolt application on your device and log into your account. Once you're signed into Bolt, go ahead and tap on the Rides option at the bottom center of the screen. All of your past rides and the upcoming rides will be displayed on the page. If you don't have any rides made yet, you will see this empty screen. But if you have done previous rides, you'll be able to scroll through the list to find the ride you want to check. So there you have it. There is how you can easily check your Bolt history in your Bolt application using your smartphone. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. I will be back again in the next episode. Thanks for watching.